Hey guys, how many of you enjoy relish on your hot dogs, or pickles on your burger, or maybe you like an occasional pickle for a snack? But have you ever wondered, where do these things come from? Well, stick around, because you're about to find out. Well, I'm here today in St. Joe, Indiana, at SECHLER'S Pickles, where they make some of the most amazing pickles in the country. And I'm joined by my new friend and pickle president, Max Troyer. How's it going, Max?
It's going good.
Good. Well, how long has this place been around?
It started out in the 20s. They were buying pickles from local farmers, and they had like receiving stations at the railroad crossings that the farmers would bring their pickles in horses and buggies, and then they would sort them, and then they'd eventually ship the pickles to factories on the rail. And then during the Depression, a couple of their businesses they were selling pickles to went out of business, and they started processing pickles originally in the basement in the house here on the property, and then they moved out into these buildings that we're going to be looking at a little bit later.
So almost 100 years.
Almost in the 90s.
Well, I know there are probably bigger pickle factories in the country, but I have a sense that this place is really more about quality than it is quantity.
Yeah, we do a lot of unique, different flavored, like a orange, a raisin, apple cinnamon, there's baby dills, bread and butter, and a lot of what we do is still based on sugar because it's a real flavor difference versus high fructose. It's more expensive to make them this way, but the taste is a lot better.
Sounds like you make more than just hamburger pickles here.
Yeah, we have a lot of flavored pickles, a lot of uniquely hot pickles where it's like a chili pepper or a banana pepper, jalapenos moved along that way also.
Getting me hungry.
Yeah.
How many different varieties do you make?
Well, we do over 50, and then we pack a lot of products for other people, so we probably have a couple hundred recipes.
Well, I know you give seasonal tours around this place from April through October, and this is December. What are the odds of hopefully getting a little sneak peek about what goes on around here? Are you willing to do that?
Just for you, we'll give you a tour today. We're doing some jalapenos, so it's going to be a little hot out there, so you might cough a little bit.
Well, let's quit dilly-dallying and get to it, shall we?
Okay.
Let's do it. Well, that was pretty amazing, Max. But I got one question for you. Do these things taste any good?
They're excellent. Here, we've got one that you can taste.
One way to find out. Not bad. Probably make a pretty good Christmas gift. Too bad you guys don't have any like Christmas packages or anything like that.
Well, we definitely have some. We have pre-made gift packs, and then you can order their calls here, or we can send them on our website.
Well, one of the things we like to do with Manly Moments is give away free stuff. But we're going to do just that. For everybody who watched this video and could leave a comment below who wants to be entered into a drawing, just leave a comment. Instead of Pick Me, I want you to write Pickle Me. And then next week we will do a drawing, pick one lucky winner, what we're going to call the SECHLER'S Spectacular Pickle Package, which includes a pickle ornament, pickle candy canes, and 6 jars from the Pickle Lovers Collection. Speaking of which, we still need to do a drawing from our contest from 2 weeks ago with Beck the Halls. Everybody who commented on that video got entered in a drawing to win one of these beautiful tree ornaments. If I can get it out of there. Just one. And our lucky winner is... I'll let you hold the pick.
Okay.
Our winner is Sean Gibson. Congratulations, Sean. You just won yourself a beautiful Christmas tree decor from Beck the Halls. And for the rest of you, go ahead and leave that comment, Pickle Me. We will do our drawing. If you have more interest in SECHLER'S Pickles, you can click to the link to their website listed in the description below. We will see you next time for another installment of Manly Moments.